Oh, bless the Lord, my soul. Oh, bless the Lord, my soul. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, and all my being. Bless His holy name. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, and forget not all His benefits. Oh, bless the Lord, my soul. He pardons all your iniquities. He heals all your ills. He redemption life from destruction. He crowns you in kindness and compassion. Oh, bless the Lord, my soul. Merciful and gracious is the Lord, slow to anger and abounding in kindness. Not according to our sins does He deal with us, nor does He requite us according to our crimes. Oh, bless the Lord, my soul. Oh, bless the Lord,